Kaya nagtaka rin ako sa sarili ko, Mars, na parang bakit ang daming nagbabago sa decision. Sa career.
Na dati hindi naman.
Hindi naman. Ngayon meron na akong parang, wait lang. Oo, work to. Oo, financially, it will be good for me. But is it worth my time? So, I'm 41 this year. So, maraming realizations. Yun lang ang na-realize ko. And of course, my ate.
51. Siyempre, mas maraming
51.
realizations, marami na napagdaanan, marami ng pagkakamali, at marami ding natutunan.
Yeah.
Which is amazing because you know what? You might have all these plans in your head, but you just don't know what's gonna happen.
That's
so
true.
You just gotta be ready for it. Diba? Naka-outing na naman tayo.
Ang dami nating outing.
Oo,
Pero
in
kumemot lang
fairness
naman
to
tayo
us.
this time. Isang cartwheel lang from our regular outing.
Yes! Nandito tayo ngayon sa Posh Nails Pasig. Thanks
Mm-mm.
for having us. Kasi, dahil nga every birthday, gusto natin may paandar.
Yes.
So, ang paandar ko naman ay, syempre, pamper session.
I love
Mars,
it.
ano ka ba? Ikaw ang unang mag-celebrate sa aming tatlo.
Yes! So,
Oo
ito na
nga.
pala ang
Yes.
simula
So,
ng
this is
mahabang selebrasyon.
The start of our
Yes.
birthday month.
Correct.
Of our birthday month.
Yes!
Daig
Lahat
pa
kami
namin
June.
Oo, correct. Daig pa namin mga mayor dahil isang buwan tayo mag-celebrate lahat. June
Oo.
20, June 22, June 29.
29. Correct. Kaya lang
Diba?
lugi din tayo, no? Kasi imagine mo, hindi scattered yung celebration all throughout the year.
Ah.
Parang one time, big time lang tayo, tapos
Okay
next
na
year
rin
na
yun,
ulit.
Mars, kasi that's also the kind of friendship, a healthy kind of friendship na hindi kailangan madalas magkita, but when you see each other, big time.
Tama
Oo
nga,
nga,
oo.
tama
Diba?
naman, tama naman.
So we can represent those friends na tuwing birthday lang sila nagkikita. So
Pwedeng
this is
nila
actually
o ng mga anak nila.
This is
Oo.
Diba?
perfect for us, Mars.
Oo.
So, sabihin natin, eventually, 10 years from now, you live in Spain na. Tapos,
Wow!
May chance, may
Oo,
chance.
tapos nasa Japan na sila
Oy.
Cecilia Pao, tapos kami nasa New Zealand.
Oh
my God! Kung magkikita tayo, June.
Oo, itutuloy
Oo.
natin ang podcast, pero sa Zoom na tayo.
Ang ganda.
Pero ilalaban natin to kahit sa amang lupalop ng
Pero yung mga backdrop natin, iba-iba na, di ba?
At saka paandar tayo ng mga backdrop dapat.
syempre.
Oo, kailangan.
Ano ba yan? Ang layo na natin.
But you'll never know, Mars. That could be a reality for us.
Correct.
diba?
Hindi natin malas sa sitwasyon ng gobyerno natin. Okay, pero we're not gonna get
Oh my God!
we're not gonna get political
We're not
right
gonna
now.
get there.
It's not
As
that
much
kind of
as-
podcast.
Yes, as much as gusto nating i-tackle yan,
Oo,
pero we'll
oo.
save it for
Oo.
good vibes lang. Good
Oo,
vibes lang tayo
correct,
dito.
correct.
Oo.
Lalo pat birthday celebration mo.
Oh my gosh, 41!
My baby girl.
Oh my gosh!
Ano naniniwala kasi Princess Sarah tumatanda.
Oo.
Kaya
Diba?
nga kaya nga gusto ko nang paputiin yung buko para
Lola Sara.
Lola Sara na ito. Hindi dumaan sa Auntie Sara.
Correct.
Tita Sara.
Oo,
hindi.
from Princess Sarah to Lola
Lola.
Sara.
So ito, every birthday, pinag-usapan namin na every birthday episode namin, parang call din namin kung ano yung topic na
Yes.
gusto namin pag-usapan.
Oo,
And for
oo.
today, ano ang ating pag-uusapan?
I want to talk about life stages. Kasi Mars, you're 39. So sige na, bibigay na namin
Sabihin
sa'yo
natin
yung
nasa 30s
30s.
pa ako.
Kasi
Oo.
nakaganong ka pa sa
Oo.
30s.
Sa bingit ka pa, bingit.
Sa bingit ka pa.
Actually, yung pa ako na lang nakakapit. Pa ako na lang nakakapit, Mars.
Totoo naman. Pero panghawakan mo yan hanggat may ilang araw ka pa.
Correct.
Huwag mong i-give up yan, Mars.
Ako, Mars, yung ganun.
Oo,
iniipit
tsaka
ko.
karapatan mo yan, 30s ka pa
Yes,
rin.
pag tinanong ka, ilang taong ka na? 39. Oo.
Isn't that as good as 40?
39. Hindi pa naman ako nag-birthday, di ba?
So ako naman, 40. So I'm 41 this year. So maraming realizations. Yun lang ang na-realize ko. And of course, my ate.
51. Siyempre, mas
51.
maraming realizations, marami na napagdaanan, marami ng pagkakamali, at marami ding natutunan.
Yes.
Oo.
And the beauty of this friendship is that even before we get there,
Mm-mm.
na-warningan mo na kami. Yun ang benefits ng meron kang, kailangan may kaibigan kang
Older.
So, Logi
Ate.
ba si Suze sa atin? Wala
Wala
tayong
siya mapulot
sa
sa atin.
kanya. Wala tayong mabibigay sa'yo, Suze.
Oh, ang
meron
reaksyon na
na.
ni ate sa atin, oo nga, no, sana ginawa ko rin yan dati. Well,
Yung ambag nyo naman sa akin is marami din ako natututunan sa inyo. So, ibig sabihin, yung mga app na bagong ida-download na
Oo.
nakakatulong kung paano mag-edit ng mga churro. Yung mga ganong stuff na parang,
Okay,
di mga hirap na hirap ako sa mga ganyan. Yung mga stuff like
Okay,
that,
okay.
natututunan ko naman sa
Okay,
inyo. I
that's
love
true,
it.
ate.
Okay,
So,
good.
ito, life stages. Umpisa ba na
Of
39? Oh.
Okay, so sa 30s.
So Mars, anong mga realizations mo kapag nasa 30s ka? Ano yung mga tumatakbo sa isip mo?
Mm-mm. Ay nga pala, welcome nga pala sa aming podcast na pinangagatang. Kami ang inyong mga
Tuloy-tuloy na lang kami. Alam mo, porkit na iba tayo ng lugar, parang nalimutan. Pero yun na, alam nyo na yan, mga
Oo nga.
ma.
Kaya naman nag-tune in kayo di ba?
Oo.
Welcome once again sa birthday
Yes.
episode ni Camille.
Oo.
Okay, Mars, in your 30s, what are the realizations? Kahit tayo, ate, looking
Yeah.
back, di ba? Ano yung mga pumasok sa isip natin nung tumungtong tayo ng 30s?
Mars, ako pagdating ng 30s, I was really in the life stage of building a family.
Oo nga.
That's true.
Mars, buong
That's
30s
true.
ko
That's
pala.
true.
Yun lang pala
You
ginawa
spent,
ko.
yeah, building
I
a
spent
family.
a whole decade
That's true.
building the
That's
family.
right. And I think that's the perfect
Five,
time to do it.
5 children.
Oo.
Tapos may tig to 2 years sila sort of,
Yes.
di ba? O,
So,
tama,
30?
sakto.
I got
31?
pregnant 30, gave birth 31, then 33,
Oo.
then just before I turned 36, and then the rest.
Nakalimutan ka na sa dami.
Oo.
Holy cow.
Oh,
Diba? So
wow.
medyo the
Busy.
30s, that was a whole year, Mars, of having babies, trying to get fit again, trying to get strong again, trying to reacquaint my body to the way it used to move,
Mm-mm.
and then getting pregnant again. It was a whole decade of
Decade.
that,
A decade,
back and
yes,
forth, back
yes.
and forth, back and
Anak,
forth.
buntis, fit, 'di ba? Panganak, balik maging fit, only for you to get pregnant again
Oo,
and then
oo,
go back
oo.
to the same
Oo.
cycle. Wow,
Yes.
Mars.
Was that
Tapos-
frustrating in a way? Yung parang, I've
You know
only
what?
started to get fit again, tapos
Only
nabuntis
to
na
be
naman
pregnant.
ako.
Oo.
Which is why it amazes me to see where I am now.
Mhm.
Because if at 30, God gave me that plan na, okay, so itong mangyayari sa'yo in the next 10 years, matatakot ako.
Oo,
Mm.
oo,
Hindi ko
oo.
iisipin na posible to.
Mm-mm, mm-mm.
Hindi ko talaga iisipin. I would
Mm.
think na, no thanks, I ain't signing that contract.
Right,
That's
right,
true,
yeah.
that's true.
Oo. And so, obviously, I just took it a pregnancy at a time.
Yes.
For each of us, we're really
Yeah.
just taking it a day at a
Tama,
time.
tama.
And even throughout those pregnancies, you take it a day at a time. Because after having Primo, I remember I was like, okay, I know I wanted 5 kids, but after having Primo, I think I'm good for just having 2.
Oo.
Because it's shocking, Mars.
Yeah.
Diba? Having
Yeah.
that first kid, it is shocking.
Mm-mm, mm-mm.
No amount of preparation will
Yes,
actually
yes.
prepare you for that
Mm-mm.
moment. And then you begin to think, I guess this is my new reality. Am I ready for, eto na ba yung buhay ko?
Yan.
Dede?
Yes.
Kulang sa
Mm.
tulog?
Mm-mm.
Oo.
Diba?
Mm-mm.
Are you
Tapos-
gonna be stuck in
Correct.
this cycle
Eto
na
for,
ba yung-
forever?
Yes, there was a time, Mars, that I felt like I wasn't losing the weight that I wanted to lose. And I was like, I
That's
guess this
it.
is my new body now. I guess this
Yeah.
is what it is now.
Hmm.
Yeah.
It was that so many times. And I just had to take it a pregnancy at a time, a day
Right.
at a time, until, lo and behold, 5 kids after.
Wow.
Which is amazing because you know what? You might have all these plans in your head, but you just don't know what's going to happen.
That's
so
true.
you just got to be ready for it.
Although, actually, yung ginusto mo, I mean, you had an idea that you would have 5 kids, or
I
that's
didn't
what
have
you
an
wanted.
idea, but I always loved the thought of it.
Oo, pero hindi mo na-realize pwede siyang maging reality.
I didn't
Ah.
realize
Pwede
it was
kasing
being
gusto
my
mo siya,
reality.
pero parang hanggang dito na lang
Yeah,
kasi.
Oo.
because after Primo, nadala ako.
Medyo, oo.
Mm.
Nadala ako.
oo.
And so, surprisingly, after having Alana, when we finally had a girl, and
Yeah.
it was a surprise,
Right.
it amazes me to think that I was standing behind a counter looking at the 3 kids thinking, bakit parang gusto ko pa? Kasi naalala ko, iniyak
Nakakabitin.
Yeah.
Iniyak ko si
Alam mo, ganyan ka
Duday.
rin.
Nakakabitin.
Ganyan ka rin. Di ba sinasabi mo rin parang
Parang gusto
isa
ko
pa, parang gusto ko pa.
Oo, iniyak ko si Duday. And I remember nung niluwal, niluwal ko
niluwal.
siya.
Oh, tama.
Nung
Good
niluwal
word.
ko
Good
siya.
word.
Yung iyak ko, it was tears of relief and joy na parang, yes, may babae na ako.
I'm done.
Parang I don't have to
Oo,
hear it from
oo,
people
oo.
na, okay, keep on, parang sayang wala akong girl.
Oh,
Kasi
correct.
kami 3 girls eh.
Yes.
Di ba? So,
Ah.
I was like, yes, this can be the last. I don't have to go through that again. Like I said, every pregnancy was,
Yes.
I mean, the giving birth in itself, there was no part of it that was easy for me. No part of it.
Mm-mm.
And so, yeah, I really thought I was done. So surprisingly, we got to 4,
Mhm.
thinking 4th was the last.
Yeah.
Hindi pa pala. And then 5th came. So yeah, it was a pretty crazy 30s for me. But you know what? I feel like it really defined me.
Mm-hmm.
And it was in those years of almost looking at it, it's like, that's unbelievable. But the fact that I got through it, it's like, dang.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, yes.
Like, it makes me feel wow.
Yeah, yeah.
pretty amazing.
Grabe.
It's amazing.
Oo.
It's amazing.
Grabe,
So,
hinanap ko yung mic. Tapos sabi ko, nagsalita ako, that's pretty amazing. Sabi ko, hindi ko nahawakan yung mic. Nakalapel pala.
So this is what happens when you're in your 50s.
sa 50s na ba tayo?
Medyo, na-disorient ako, na-disorient.
Sandali, hindi ako makarecover.
Gusto mo ba? Ganun na lang tayo.
Ganto lang.
Gusto mo ba, ate? Pwede ba? Pahiram ko lang to kay Ate Suzy, ha? Kasi parang komportable siyang may hawak.
For those of you listening to us, maybe you gotta watch this episode in video form para makita mo.
Sanay po kami na may hawak na mabigat na mic.
Oo.
Sobrang bigat niya to a point na hindi mo makakalimutang hawak mo siya. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's why we're talking about this.
Totoo,
Diba? Ito
totoo.
talaga yun, ate.
Sinabi mo sa akin. Kaya nga, push ko na to sa nila.
Oo, wag mong baguhin yung routine mo kasi mag-a-adjust ka na naman.
Oh.
Uy, in fairness naman sa'yo,
Oh
Cam.
my.
Kakatungtong mo din lang
Yes.
naman sa 40, 41. But
Oo.
I could see doon sa isang podcast ninyo, yung sa staying afloat.
Yeah,
Or
yeah.
I think nag-guest ka at somebody else's podcast.
Yes.
But you were talking about how your body is already starting to feel different. So
yes.
I was like thinking, well, isn't Camille just 40? Pero as early as that pala, you can actually have changes and feel changes na in your body.
Actually, ate, I think it was... I think it was more of the awareness. Kasi nga dahil may pinagdaanan mo na,
Oo.
na ako, tumutungtong ako dito, dumadaan ako dito, meron akong, I think ito yung sinasabi ni Ate Suzy. But had I not,
Learn that.
yes, hindi ko
Wala
man,
kang briefing.
wala man akong briefing, walang nakapag-share sa akin na ito na yung stage ng buhay mo at
Oo.
eto ako papasok dito, baka wala lang din to sa akin. Baka akala ko normal. But because I was aware of it, I am now able to distinguish kung ano yung nagbabago sa buhay ko. Gets mo,
And,
ate?
Yeah.
and ano na nga ba yun?
Oo,
So
yes,
ito, one of the
yes.
things that I realized, kasi ako yung nasa gitna, 30, 40, 50. Nung 30s, Mars, agree ako sa'yo na parang sinabi mo, di ba, na parang what? Pinagdaanan ko yun? Nagawa ko yun?
Yes.
In your 30s, yun yung age ng buhay mo or yung stage ng buhay mo na feeling mo kaya mong gawin lahat. You're young
Wow,
and you're
yes.
mature enough to
Yes.
try new things.
Yeah.
Hindi ka natakot mag-fail.
Mhm.
Yung 20s mo na yan,
I mean,
yan yung
Well,
stage.
actually, I think it's you're young, but you're more mature that you can make better educated risks.
Yes.
Oo,
And
oo.
even if you fail, you're mature enough to try again and not quit. Yung 20s mo, yun yung parang hinahanap mo yung identity mo. You're trying to please other people.
Yeah.
You're trying to look for the right group na tatanggapin ka. Pero hindi mo pa makita kung ano talaga yung gusto mo. Yan yung stage na parang wala ka pang boses.
Yeah.
Yung parang hiyang-hiya kang sabihin
Yes.
kung ano yung nararamdaman mo kasi iniisip mo masyado kung anong iniisip ng ibang tao tungkol sa'yo. Yung 30, papunta ka na dun sa, hindi, gusto ko nang subukan kung ano yung mga gusto ko. Yan na yan, di ba? 30s, you have the energy
Yeah.
and you have the right amount of maturity to try it.
Yan,
And I
ganda.
think it's also, Mars, it's also the age din kasi, yung 30s kasi, yung hindi ka na kontrolado ng mga magulang mo.
Yan. Yung pwede mo nang
Na
sabihin
malaking
na,
bagay yun
medyo
eh.
kaya ko na to.
Especially in
Oo.
our culture.
Yes.
Correct.
Now,
Yes.
up until like 20s, a lot of us are actually even still living with our
That's
parents.
true.
Oo,
That's
oo,
true.
oo.
But the 30s, medyo ano na yan eh, may nagsiswitch na sa brain mo dyan na parang, nasa 30 na ako. Ito na yung rarara na ako. Ano man yung pangarap ko, ano man yung gawin ko, ito na yung work ka na dyan. Achieve your dreams, work on your goals. When I turned 40, one of the things that changed in me, ate, was that yung realization na mas mahaba na yung binuhay ko kaysa sa ibubuhay ko pa.
Wow.
Meron akong parang shocks. I've lived 40 years. And 40 years, that means I'm lucky to reach 80.
Oo.
Na healthy,
Oo.
na ganito pa yung kaya kong mobile,
Oo, oo,
independent,
oo.
kaya kong kumilos. So, ibig sabihin, na-reach ko na yung stage ng buhay ko na mas mahaba na yung binuhay ko kesa sa natitira sa buhay ko.
Grabe.
So, realizing that, Mars, I'm like, I don't wanna waste my time. I wanna be intentional with my time. Ayoko na nung gagawin ko na lang yung mga bagay just because I need to do it. I need to know my why. Bakit ko to gagawin?
Which is a big reason as to why you're a lot more, not naman picky, but you really think out the kind of work that you accept these days.
Kaya nagtaka rin ako sa sarili ko, Mars, na parang bakit ang daming nagbabago sa desisyon? Sa career,
Na dati hindi
na
naman
dati
ganun.
hindi naman.
Work, basta may work,
Basta
work.
may work
Oo.
kasi kailangan natin. Pero
Oo.
bakit ngayon meron na akong parang, wait lang. Oo, work to. Oo, financially, it will be good for me. But is it worth my time? Yung kapalit ba nito na mawawala sa akin kapag tinanggap ko to, will it be worth it?
Wow.
Hindi na siya pera-pera na lang.
Wow, that's so,
So that's-
introspective.
That's
Hanep.
one of my realization na parang
Mm.
ayokong ubusin tong 40s ko.
Mm.
Na parang masasabi ko sa sarili ko na, oh, how did you spend your energy, your time? And whatever it is that you have in that season of your life. Kasi pagdating ko ng 50, iba na naman yun.
But ang maganda din kasi is, you're also at a stage in your life na nakapag-ipon ka na,
Yes.
nakapagpundar ka na, mas
Thankfully.
nakilala mo na yung sarili mo, knowing na, alam mo to, hindi siya magiging worth it.
Yes.
Yung pagod, yung puyat, yung paglayo ko sa pamilya ko for so long, parang hindi siya worth it. Pero also kasi, meron ka ng sandalan.
Yes.
You know na hindi ka na kasing kailangan like we used to in
Yes.
our 20s and our 30s when we were still trying to establish ourselves.
Right. And I think, ate, meron ding part na parang, syempre, like financially, paliliit pa yung mga bata eh.
Mhm.
So, syempre, iniisip mo pa rin na kailangan mo pa rin siya in the next 10 years, 15 years? Kailangan mo pa rin siya.
Yeah.
Pero may shift na.
Meron na.
May shift na siya in the sense na, okay, whatever it is that I'm doing now, dahil physically, nakakapagod siya, emotionally draining siya,
Mhm.
I want to make use of whatever it is that I will earn here to turn it into something. Nakikita pa rin ako, pero hindi na ako ganito kapagod.
Oo.
Yung may ganong
Yung mga
planning na
passive
Mars.
income, mga ganon,
Yes.
Mars.
Hindi yung parang 40s, okay, dire-diretso pa rin ako. Ito
Yes,
pa rin yung
yes.
work ko hanggang
Mm,
50.
mm,
Nare-realize
Yes.
ko na hindi na kaya ng katawan ko, Mars.
Kapagod.
Like
Kapagod.
after the last show that I did 2 roles. I was working 16, 18 hours a day. Yung ramdam ko na yung edad ko talaga
Yep.
na parang, wow,
Mm-mm.
hindi ako ganito dati, pero ngayon pagod na ako. So, may strategy ka na, nagpaplano ka na parang, hindi na to kaya ng katawan ko in the next few years.
Mm-mm.
What's my next move?
Nice.
How will I utilize whatever it is that I will earn from this para in the next years to come, pwede ko nang bitawan to kasi kailangan ko nang mag-shift to a different career, a different job, a
Mhm.
different business,
Mhm.
what have you. But of course, the earning, kailangan nandun pa rin siya.
Correct, correct,
That's the
correct.
reality.
Hindi siya pwedeng
That's the
mawala.
Oo,
Kasi
oo,
tuloy-tuloy ang buhay.
correct.
Pero may nagbabago na. That's what I realized. Na parang, okay, what's my next step?
Mm-mm.
How can I earn still? Pero hindi na ako ganito ka pagod.
Oo.
So yun yung mga things that I felt that I needed to do. Ngayon na nag-40 ako, yun yung mga kailangan kong pinaplano,
Yes,
pinagdadasal.
So Mars, ang tanong ko, ano na tong plano na to?
Oo.
Ano ba to?
Parang gusto ko rin malaman kasi hindi ko rin alam saan ako pupunta.
Ano ba? I-share mo naman sa amin.
I think Mars ganito. Parang I spoke to VJ also about this because siguro nandun na rin ako sa season na parang I wanna take a break from acting talaga, Mars. But, of course, because we have commitments that we have to honor, syempre hindi naman yun basta-basta. So, slowly din yung transition na yun. So, VJ and I started planning. At the same time, we also started praying for it. Kasi yun na yung desire, Mars, ng puso ko. Na parang, Lord, medyo napapagod na ako dito. Can you show me my next move? Kasi, if something feels heavy for you, something that I used to enjoy and love so much, and now all of a sudden, nagiging mabigat na siya sa akin, God is calling me to a new season.
Yes.
So ngayon, ate, ang thinking ko na, okay, Lord, if this is the right time for me to let go of this, then ipakita mo rin sa akin kung saan mo ko dadalhin
Ano yung
one
next
step
step?
at a time.
Yeah.
Kasi hindi ko rin alam eh.
Oo.
Wala rin namang kasiguraduhan.
Right.
And then, slowly as we plan, may mga darating na mga moments na may mga makikilala kang mga tao,
Yeah.
may mga papasok sa isip mo ng mga idea na parang,
Pwede to
parang
ah.
ito yung gusto kong
Oo,
gawin.
oo.
Parang posible to. Parang
Oo.
passion ko rin naman to.
Mm-mm.
So it's more of like businesses.
Mhm.
There are things that VJ and I are also planning that's connected to what we're doing now. Like in
Mhm.
the school,
Mhm.
we're looking at or we're praying also and we're planning and researching to expand that.
Yeah.
Paano natin to makakalat? How can we like explore? Kasi nandito na tayo ngayon.
Mhm.
When it comes to content creation, paano ko ba to mas mama-maximize?
Mhm.
Or to all, kasi this is what we've been doing for a long
Yes,
time.
yes.
So, if I want to stay in this game, ano pa yung ibang pwede kong gawin na
Ma-i-offer.
opportunity na nandito rin?
Mhm.
So, things like that. So, now, yun na yung isip ko ata na parang, okay, if I'm gonna slowly step back from acting. Then I wanna save whatever it is that I'm gonna be making from here. Into that next move that I will
Yes,
have in the
ganda.
future. Pero, ngayon pa lang, syempre, iisipin
Iniisip
ko
mo
na
na,
yun.
yes.
Saan
Inaaral mo
yun?
na.
Kasi may investment dun.
Correct.
Mga kapital ka dun.
Yep.
So, gusto ko ngayon pa lang, i-prepare na
Paghahandaan mo na.
natin siya.
Mm-mm,
So,
mm-mm.
that kind
Ganda.
of preparation.
Right. Kasi every time you hit a decade, nagiging siyang big deal eh.
Yes.
Di ba? I mean, maybe it hasn't dawned on you yet, pero like, syempre 40 is a big deal when you turn 20, 30, lalo na pagpatanda ka na 40, 50.
Yes!
Parang kaya alam mo nung itong 50th ko last year, lahat kami nagpapa-party ah.
Yes!
Lahat ng mga batchmates ko, ang dami ko na-attendan na party, including my own. Kayong dalawa hindi naka-attend ng party ko.
Oo.
Kasi hindi din naman ako ma-party na tao. Nag-birthday nga kami sa bahay, mga nakapambahay lang kami,
Oo.
cake lang kami and stuff. Pero yun talaga, everybody celebrates their milestone
Yes.
birthday. Also as gratitude for the fact that not everybody reaches 50.
That's true.
May mga kilala tayo na ang aga pa, nawala na dito, it's so heartbreaking. So every year na buhay ka, every day na buhay ka, every decade na nandiyan ka to celebrate, you definitely should celebrate. I can't remember exactly who told me that, na ang birthday mo, kahit ako na, simpleng tao lang ako, wala naman masyadong big deal. Pero dapat i-commemorate mo na, kahit in a simple way, kayo ng pamilya nyo, may cake kayo, nag-order kayo, kasi i-commemorate mo yan, itong araw na to, pinanganak ka, at ngayon, 20, 30, 40, 50 years
Andito
later,
ka pa
you're still
rin.
celebrating it.
Yeah.
Parang ganun.
And the life that you've built all throughout the
Absolutely,
years,
absolutely,
'di ba?
absolutely.
Hindi lang naman yung literal na buhay mo, pero yung mga
Correct.
pinagdaanan mo,
Correct, correct,
kasama siya
correct.
sa sineselebrate.
It's really something to celebrate, whether it's good or bad. You know,
That's
it's like
true.
it's a
Yeah.
chapter that you're going to close, and then another chapter that you're going
Right.
to begin.
It makes you look back on the things na pinagdaanan mo, nalagpasan mo, yung mga bagay na akala mong hindi ka na makakalabas nun, and yet here you are today. I mean, for me, birthdays are wonderful opportunity to just really look back and reflect na parang, shucks, I made it through that.
Totoo yan.
Diba? Ang daming ganun, yung mga heartbreak lang nung mga bagets ka na,
Yeah.
parang mamamatay ka na. Yung parang binreakan ka, parang, di na ako katapusan ko na to! Yung iyak mo na parang, ang sakit ng major ng first heartbreak.
Yeah.
I
Sobrang
cannot
sakit.
like,
Mhm.
that's painful.
Yep.
And
Yeah.
feeling mo,
And I'm scared for when our children.
oh
have
my
to go through
gosh!
Yeah.
I pray for them, my gosh.
Alam ba, naisip ko yung nanay ko, alam nyo naman, very frugal. Ay, mami,
Yes.
so, pero naalala ko, nung si Bianca, yung kapatid kong sumunod sa akin, nakipag-break yun, yung nanay ko, nagpa-halves yun. Lumabas kayo ng kapatid mo at ialuin mo siya. Kasi malungkot siya. Yung parang, even she acknowledged na, oh, that's a tough thing to be going through, having a heartbreak. Pero you're right, yung, yan, nalagpasan. Baka yung mga tao, maybe there was somebody ill in the family, nalagpasan. Nagkaroon ng malaking utang, nabaon, pero
Nakabawi.
nakabangon.
Oh
Or
my
unti-unting
gosh.
bumabawi. Baka hindi pa nakabawing todo. Pero
may
medyo paakyat ka na.
Yeah.
Di ba, those things will give you hope pa rin na parang, sige, laban lang ang buhay.
Yes.
It's not always easy for everybody, and those who have a charmed life, congrats. Di ba? If you're blessed to have that with very little problems,
That's true.
you know, good family relations, fantastic. But every little win should be celebrated, and on your birthday especially. Galing.
Totoo.
Mm-mm.
Naalala ko dati nung tinanong ko si ate, magpo-40 na ako, anong mga magbabago? Ano lang yan, be? May mga masasakit na sa katawan mo. Tapos palipat-lipat lang siya.
Lipat-lipat lang.
What do you mean?
But
Lilipat-lipat lang siya. Ganit siya, ate. Ay, kaya ko na siya gayahin. Lilipat-lipat lang siya. Minsan dito, after 1 week, lilipat yan dito. Tapos dito. Pero huwag kang mag-alala, mawawala din yan.
so may nararamdaman ka
Meron,
ba ganun, Mars?
So may masakit dito ko. Mga ilang buwan na rin siya.
Matagal
After
din.
na
buwan din.
lilipat din siya dito. Tapos gaganyan-ganyanin mo lang. Basta igalaw-galaw mo lang, mawawala din siya.
Ito kaya nga sarap na ako dito, Mars. Okay,
Kasi minsan wala ka naman hindi ka naman na-injure. Wala ka naman ginawa na na-pull mo siya. O di bakit siya masakit, di ba?
Oo.
Lipat din.
And,
Bayaan mo.
ganun lang niya in-explain sa akin. Yun yung,
Ganun.
okay.
but it's funny, and to think we're fit.
Exactly.
What more for those who don't
Oo.
really move their bodies around?
Correct.
Diba? So it's like, wow.
So actually, kaya ganun na very nonchalant yung pagsasabi ko kami. Parang ayoko lang nahanapan ng explanation siya. Which is kasi hormone siya eh. Yung pagbaba ng estrogen ng katawan mo. So na-affect yung
The
mga
joint.
joints mo. Yun pala yun. Kaya dati wala lang ako name sa kanya kasi hindi ko naman alam kung sa bakit.
Yeah.
So yun lang sabihin, nililipat lang yan. Tapos after, nililipat din lang yan. Tapos hindi ko nang pinapansin. yun pala yun. Parang normal lang siya na
Okay.
magkakaroon ka ng sakit-sakit because of your decrease in
Right.
hormones, which is, syempre, what I'm experiencing. I'm so excited pag umabot tayo sa perimenopause episode.
Yeah.
It's
oh
so
my gosh.
incredible kung ano yung mga other symptoms na pwede niyong maramdaman beyond the usual na, hot flashes.
Yes.
ano,
Actually, alam mo, yun lang
irritability.
yung alam ko. Hot flashes, tsaka mainitin ng ulo.
Ayan.
That's it.
Meron din sa
Napakarami.
yung sa mata.
Oo.
Tapos
So,
yun-
perimenopause is actually kapag, ang alam lang kasi natin, menopause.
Menopause. Oo.
Yun na yun. Pero meron pa pala. We'll save that for the next episode.
Yes, it's
So,
gonna be a
Ate,
good
I wanna ask you this. Now you're 51.
one.
Ano naman ang naramdaman mong nagbago from 40 to 50?
Oh, 40
So, nakaisang taon ka na sa 50.
Oo nga.
Oh.
I think I needed to accept and change my expectations of myself.
Okay.
Kasi parang, okay, I've stayed fit naman throughout my 40s,
Mhm.
di ba? And I felt like I should just keep doing what I'm doing kasi parang effective naman siya dati. I think I mentioned it before sa fitness episode, parang hindi ko na siya mabalik or sa beauty episode, hindi ko na mabalik sa dati yung katawan ko. But also, admittedly, nag-iba na rin ako. Ibig sabihin, dati, 6 days a week nagba-bar 3 class ako. Kasi,
6 days a
yes,
week?
kasi
Wow.
everyday ako pumapasok sa work. Bago ako umuwi, magba-bar
Yes.
ako.
And that's
Correct.
libre ka doon.
Dahil libre ako, panay-panay. Ay, bar 3 lang yun.
We love bar 3.
Totoo. Pag Saturday, hindi ako magba-bar 3 kasi weekend for the family. Pag Sunday, magba-bar 3 ako ng maaga. Yung tulog pa yung mga bata. 6 days a week, I would go to bar class. Tapos dati, in my 30s and my 40s, hindi ako masyadong gutumin. So, ang kinakain ko dati, granola bar. Hindi pork. Una sa lahat, sarap na sarap ako sa kanya.
Yeah.
Pangalawa, that's it. Bago ako mag-bar class, kakain ako nun. After ako mag-bar class, kakain ako nun. Kakain ako ng rice ng lunchtime, magme-merienda ako, tapos kakain ako ng dinner, salad and protein. Hindi na ako nagugutom after that. Ngayon, umaga pa lang. Alam ba may times na papasok pa lang ako ng unang hirit, kinakain ko na yung baon ko? That's insane. Samantalang dati, magdi-dinner kami sa bahay, matatapos kami, let's say, 8 p.m. Ang next kain ko na niyan, 8 a.m. After ng unang hirit, I'll eat in the car.
Okay.
So kung ano, granola bar lang makakain ko,
Yes, yes.
nagda-drive ako di ba? Granola bar, kape, that's it. That's my breakfast. Ngayon, unang hirit pa lang, gutom na ako. Sabi ko, ba't ganun? Sabi ko, ang weird. Dati hindi ako ganito kagutom. So I had to accept that,
Yes.
ano ba kayo, mataas cortisol ko, mababa, hindi ko na maintindihan. So, gutom na ako lagi. So, kailangan, doon na pumasok yung, kailangan talaga yung more protein. Nagbabaon na ako ngayon ng omelette sa umaga na may ground beef. Binabaon ko na siya, kinakain ko na siya. Kasi sinasabi nga, pag nag-carbs ka agad sa umaga, mayat-maya naman,
Yes,
mamaya
yes.
gutom ka na ulit.
Oh.
Mamaya, gutom ka na ulit. Dati, pwede ako magbuhay kape tsaka biskwit. I love it. Tsaka nakakabusog siya kasi
Yeah.
nagkape ka eh. Ngayon, gutom na gutom ako lagi. So, it's all those things na na-realize ko, my body is changing. And I kept fighting it for the longest time or not acknowledging it. Yung parang, ba't ako gutom na gutom?
Gusto mo ilaban yung
Oo.
yung nakasanayan mo,
That's
pero
weird.
hindi na nga siya effective.
Hindi na.
So
Nag-iba
when
siya.
was it that you realized, I
I
just
need to
have to
change.
accept this, and then make adjustments?
I think when I also started hearing a lot from Dr. Stacy Sims,
Mhm.
leading parang expert in terms of women's health, at saka yung
Okay.
understanding perimenopause, fitness. Siya ngayon nagsabi na, according to their research, na ang babae, paggising within an hour of waking up, lalo na if you're in your perimenopause phase, dapat
That's
kumakain ka
right.
na. Di ba nauso yung IF.
Yeah.
Siyempre, meron ding ibang schools of thought na mas maganda yung nagfa-fast ka kasi nalilinisan yung katawan mo, nagre-recover yung ano. May ganun din talaga, except na according sa pag-aaral nila, pag babae ka in this age
Season,
range, in
yes.
this season, hindi na siya kasing effective. So, kailangan kumain. At pag sinabing kain, hindi naman tapsilog. Yung kain mo lang isang
sayang.
saging, yogurt na may konting granola, yung medyo maliit lang siya para lang may fuel ka for the day.
Kumbaga, to cue your body.
Yes.
It's
Na,
just
oops,
to send
magsunog ka na ha,
Oo,
kasi
oo.
umaga na.
At saka yung
it's just to send the signal.
Yes.
Yun.
At saka yung alam ko marami kang gagawin today. Marami kang asikasuhin, marami kang iniisip. Dahil may fuel ka, kaya na nung katawan, kaya ko lahat to gawin. May fuel. So, iba na yung concepts niya. So, it was all lifting heavy, which I refused to do before. Paolo has been telling me this for years. You have to lift heavy. No, okay na ako sa bar class kasi pag nag 5 pounds ka sa bar class,
Mabigat na yun,
bigat
ah. Yeah.
Sa dami ng reps namin, tsaka extended yung arms namin and it's hard. So I had to do a different kind of workout na 20 minutes lang, pero mas mabigat siya. At saka concentrating on the legs.
Yes.
Kasi longevity pala, a lot of it is not just fitness,
But
It's
the muscle
legs.
mass.
Yeah.
As in muscle mass, at ang pinakamalaking muscle group, yung legs mo.
Legs mo. Yeah.
So, kaya pala yung mga tao, hate na nila yung leg day kasi mahirap siya eh. Pero yung pala yung pinaka-important mo na gawin. So, it's those changes also being influenced by, I think naman, ito may mga PhD naman, ito may mga doctorate naman.
Pinag-aralan naman
May
nila
mga
yan.
pinag-aralan, years of research, mga published naman to mga to. So, naisip ko, sige nga, try ko. Tapos, may isa akong fitness girl, Madeline Raskan, pina-follow ko siya.
I
Favorite
love
Lahat ng mga
her.
pinafollow mo, hindi mo alam ang mga pangalan.
Di ba?
I love
Pero thank you sa inyo, ha?
Pinafollow mo talaga yung mga, yung fitness kahapon, parang something like this, Christy something. Ngayon naman,
Jasmine John. Ito si Madeline.
i-confirm natin, hanapin natin sila.
Ilalagay. Palamura siya, tawan-tawa ako, dami niyang
Oo,
tato. Tapos
okay,
sobrang
oo.
fit
I
na
love
fit siya.
her.
Siya naman yung nagtuturo ng food, yung high
How to
volume
eat
food.
it, yes.
Pero healthy for
Pero
you.
healthy. At kaya mong sunugin. At yan yung mas kailangan mo. So, it's all those things, being open to all of these changes na pwede mong i-employ. Kasi pwede ko naman sabihin, like I did for the longest time, ayoko yun gawin. Nag-work naman to that. Hindi na
Hindi na
nag-work. I have been trying to lose weight for a year and a half. To the point na a food vlogger friend, na panay yung aya niya sa akin to go out. Ito may mga
Yeah.
may pa-dinner sa hotel, sa ganyan, tasting menu. Sinabi ko talaga sa kanya kasi I kept saying no.
Mm.
Kasi sinabi ko sa kanya, Reese, hi Reese! Sabi ko, Reese, pasensya na. Sabi ko, the reason why I keep saying no is because I'm having a hard time losing weight. Sabi ko, and I can't
At
say
aya
that.
ka ng aya ng kain, hindi ka nakakatulong.
At saka, gabi to, hindi ko siya masusunog.
Yeah, oo.
Pero yun, kaya sinabi ko talaga, inamin ko, sabi ko, I'm having a hard time.
Yeah.
So it's that, it's lifting weights, it's letting go of alcohol.
Oh,
I mean, not
I'm so
completely.
proud of you, ate. But
That's
such
a big step. That's a big
That's a
step.
big
Knowing,
step.
ate,
That's
how
a big
much
step.
she
I love
loves
to
it.
do,
Kasi
yeah.
yan ang pang-chill niya.
Yes.
Yan ang kanyang idea of fun
Yes.
and relaxation. And to be able to let that go
Yeah.
somehow
Yeah, yeah.
is amazing. I was talking to ate
Malaking,
kanina. Sabi niya, tinigil na rin niya. Kasi why, ate?
Mm.
Because you feel that it's not beneficial for your body
Yeah.
anymore at this season of your
Oo,
life.
oo.
And sabi ko sa kanya, alam mo kaya mga Mars, kailangan nyo talagang makahanap ng friend na older than you, pero kailangan smart-smartan din.
Mm.
Kasi mahirap yung iba yung advice na nakukuha mo sa kanila. So ate was sharing with me kanina, sabi ko, grabe ate, no? It's also like a signal for you to realize na, that season of my life is
Oo,
done.
oo,
Na-enjoy ko yung season of beer and
Yeah,
alcohol and drinking with chichirya
Mm-mm,
hanggang
mm-mm,
madaling
mm-mm,
araw.
mm-mm.
Pero ngayong 50 na ako,
Mm-mm.
hindi na siya nakakatulong sa
Yeah,
akin.
yeah.
It's doing more harm than good.
Mm-mm.
So you have to let it go. At that's wisdom.
Mm-mm.
To be
Mm-mm.
able to do that and the discipline that comes with it. Kasi hindi mo lang alam. It's one thing for you to know that and still not let it go.
Oo,
Yes.
oo.
But
oo.
it's another thing for you to realize na, hindi na to nakakabuti
Yeah.
sa akin.
Even if it makes her happy.
Hindi naman completely wala eh.
But still, ate, that's a big step.
Pero
If
bawas
it's
na
just
bawas,
occasionally.
Bawas na bawas.
But-
Oo,
but
oo,
like-
occasionally lang. Pag may
Oo,
event, pag may
Yes,
reason.
But the awareness of like, okay, I love this. It does make me happy, but it's not doing me,
Yeah. Yeah.
good right now. So just for you to be aware and to actually act on it.
Yeah.
Oo.
That's what makes it amazing.
And I'm sure it's not
Oo.
easy.
Eh,
Like, there are probably days na nagsastruggle ka because parang,
kasi nakasanayan ko na siya parang for years. Pero alam mo, sabi ko nga rin, maganda yung nakakalabas kayo ng tension kasi yun naman ang nagagawa
Yeah.
pag when you drink with somebody else kasi it's interaction. Pero kapag masyado namang marami at hindi ka na nakatulog kasi it disrupts your
Yeah.
sleep eh. Tapos yung immune system mo naman bababa. So
Babagsak.
dapat hanapin mo yung sweet spot mo.
Yes.
Yung nakapagchikahan kayo, pero sakto lang. So at some point, nag-alarm nga ako dati. 11 na, ng gabi. Akit na ako. Si Meg nga, tsaka si Gemma, nasa baba pa ng bahay namin. Ako natutulog na eh. So parang ganun, parang naghahanap, I still want to do this, but at the same time,
You need to have your limit.
hanggang
Oo.
dito na ako. Oo. And then, no January of this year, parang ko, out na yung every weekend na inom, ano na lang. Pag may
twice a
occasion
week
na
na
lang.
lang. Ay,
Pag may-
every other week na lang.
Or pag may occasion lang. Pag may
Nice,
occasion na lang. Kasi hirap na rin ako to
Yes.
lose weight eh. So I have to let go of the things that are hindering me from
That's true.
trying to get back into my fitness.
And that can be a lot of things for other people out there. It can be a group of friends that they love.
Yeah.
But if the friendship isn't really giving them anything that's positive or good, and then you kind of have to find your way to wean from that. It can be all sorts of things. It can be, for me, my beer would be my sweets. So like, I need to figure out, okay, wait, I love it. I don't want to completely deprive myself from
Yeah.
it. So I need to know, like, what can I do to still enjoy it, but not get too much of it and be able to say no.
Oo.
Diba? It can be all sorts of
Oo
things. It
nga.
can be
Yes.
like something that, I don't know, like, who knows, playing, diba? Like, people on their phones
Ah.
playing what the legend, whatever.
Oo.
Mobile
Diba, on their
Legends.
phone, you know, like, doing that kind of stuff when it's taking away from life
Oo.
and
Oo.
from what you should be doing.
Oo.
Yeah.
Diba? You need to realize it. You
Yeah.
need to
That's
accept
true,
that,
Mars.
okay,
Yeah.
wait a minute. Okay, parang hindi na ata ito masyado nakakabuti.
Nakakatulong. Oo.
Yes. Diba?
But I also want you girls to know na alam ko kasi you have small kids and I remember si Iya lagi nagmeme pag kunwari, vacationing ba? Sana naman kayo? Saan kayo? Nasa kayo?
Kayo.
Where are you? Kasi alam ko na parang, syempre, it's so hard to move your whole
Yeah.
barangay, di ba?
Around.
It's a
Yeah.
major movement for you guys to go anywhere, parang ganyan. Although you guys are handling it so well, especially you, parang nadadala mo yung mga bata na kahit ikaw lang mag-isa.
Kahit isa nawawala.
O yun yan. Pero nahanap din naman sila.
Yun ang mahalaga,
Yun,
Mars.
nahahanap.
I-airtag mo kaya yung mga anak mo.
Alam mo, pwede maganda yung
Gawin mo
airtag, ah.
talaga yun, Mars. Lalo na
Oo.
pag bakasyon, both my kids are naka-airtag.
Kasi pag
Yung gamit na
naghiwalay,
ini-airtag mo, yung
Hora.
bata pa kaya.
Tama.
Di ba, Mars?
Tama.
Eh, yun nagalaw talaga yun.
Oo.
Oo.
Kaya nga kami dati, 1:1. Hindi pwedeng, kunwari ako lang, hindi ako mag...
At saka, Mars, nakailan
ako
na yun, di ba,
magpapangahas.
si Dudoy? Sa
Si Dudoy
abroad.
una sa China.
Oo.
Tapos si Alana at
Nawala
si
sa
Dong.
China?
Yeah! Naiwan lang
Sa
sa...
Disneyland.
Oh, kaya batak din to si Mars maghanap ng
Every
anak.
year.
Tama.
But
Wow.
yeah, that's true.
Pero when you get to the stage and they're grown-ups like this,
Yun nga, ate.
sobrang saya.
Really?
Oh my God!
Alam mo, I think that's what I'm getting,
Sobrang
ate.
saya.
Like, eto, parang I'm in the middle of
Yes,
both of
correct,
you.
correct.
I have little ones.
Yeah.
I also have grown-ups.
Mm-mm.
And I feel like, because you're at this season in your life na syempre, medyo nag-empty nesting ka na eh,
Yeah,
di ba?
yeah,
Kasi
yeah.
nasa college na sila. So, ito naman yung opportunity ko to savor every moment with
Yeah.
Nathan.
Yeah.
Like, Anak, kasi kung feeling ko kung hindi ako naging aware doon, baka hindi ko lang namalayan na lumipas yung panahon.
Yes, Mars.
Diba?
And hindi ka aabot sa point kung nasan si Suzy enjoying the company
Yes.
of her kids.
Kasi maraming regret.
If you don't take care of these years.
And to just really be able to enjoy these moments na
Yeah,
nandito
yeah,
pa
yeah.
siya. Like, syempre, what? He's 18? So,
Mm-mm.
itong edad na to, minsan kinakalculate ko talaga, Mars,
Mhm.
meron pa ba akong ilang taon na kasama kita sa bahay? Say, I have what, 4 years up until you finish college? Kasi, I'm really hoping and praying, Mars, na itong college years mo, dito ka sa bahay.
Oo, oo.
Susulitin ko lahat
Oo.
ng oras hanggat kaya mo pang umuwi dito ka sa bahay.
Yeah.
Kasi after this, pag nagtrabaho ka na at may mga gusto ka nang gawin, hindi na kita pwedeng pigilan. So, I just wanna be able to enjoy itong moment na to. Siguro, Mars, dun din nanggagaling yung ba't gusto kong magpahinga ng konti. Kasi nga, ito na yung season na ang dami nang pwedeng mangyari sa buhay, Mars. And I don't wanna miss out on that. And
Kasi
thanks,
hindi mo na mababawi.
yes, and ang laking factor nun, kasi nandito ka sa season na to,
Yeah.
ate. So, I get to see my
Aw.
future.
Right.
And because I get to see my future, I can make right decisions where I'm at today.
Yeah.
So that when I get there,
Yeah.
So that you can get there.
Oo.
yes,
Oo.
at wala akong masasabi na, shucks, ito yung mga naging regrets ko kasi hindi ko alam na darating pala ako sa puntong to.
Oo.
Na kahit gusto kong makasama yung mga anak ko, hindi na talaga pala uubra.
Kasi like, kunwari, our kids, syempre malalaki na sila, they prefer to be in their own rooms.
Yes.
And may pa-aircon sa amin para lang pumunta siya. Syempre, kung ano kami, yung kuryente bill, so sa gabi lang mag-aircon, da. So, si gagawin ni Paolo para magsama-sama lahat. Bubuksan ng aircon sa kwarto namin. And everyone's invited. Syempre, puntahan sila. Yung kailangan mo na mag-devise ng waste. May time dati, mag-order in tayo, kunwari sa wherever, yung gusto nilang kainan. Basta mag-hangout. O minsan,
Yes.
umaabot ka na sa point na gano'n na
Ibibait mo na sila.
correct. Hindi sa ayaw nila to be. Meron lang sila mga other stuff na mas gusto nila
Yeah.
to do on their own. Parang
Wala,
ganyan.
kasi syempre,
Pero kung
they're
exciting
also,
yung offer mo, I'll
Kasi-
take it.
Oh, diba?
Because
Yeah.
you expect
Oo.
also that your children are in their own life
That's true.
stage.
That's true. That's
Diba?
true.
Hinahanap yung buhay nila, hinahanap
yung...
yung identity nila, what
Correct,
have
correct.
you.
And doon pa kayo sa stage na kahit magbanyo, gusto sumama pa sila.
Talaga.
Yes.
Yes, and I'm enjoying
Diba?
every bit of it.
I'm glad. And it's so good when you see your kids are so close to each other
That's true.
and then you can hear them laughing and enjoying themselves. Yun yung minsan si Paolo feels like, wow, grabe. Kasi siya yung mas introspective sa amin dalawa. Obviously, I'm just winging life. Parang ganyan. Like, bahala na. YOLO.
That's not true, ate.
Oo, pero yeah, parang he's so introspective na parang, I don't know what my legacy would be. Parang what do I leave to the world? Your legacy is your children. Sabi ko,
Yeah.
who are growing up to be respectful, who are independent, who all know how to drive because of you.
Wow.
Oo, si Paolo naman nagturo sa lahat ng anak namin na mag-drive. Si Paolo talaga, matyaga, explain, may pa-drawing pa ng mga
Wow.
angulo ng whatever. As in, napagkamala nga siya teacher ng driving school. Kasi nilagyan ng beware, student driver, please be patient.
Yeah,
Nilagyan ganun yung sasakyan ng mga bata.
Ang cute naman.
Tapos paglabas nila, punta sila sa SM Ora, sinabi sa kanya, foreigner pa naman. Kaya parang naano siya kasi, foreigner daw ng malaking mama. Tapos may kasama babae, tapos sabi, hey, kuya. Tapos, yeah? Do you take lessons? How much for the lessons? Sabi ko. Kasi akala, teacher siya niya.
Oh
sa
my
drive.
gosh.
Pero yung ganon, yung mga ipinundar nyo sa mga anak ninyo na oras, na pagtuturo ng kung ano man yan, good manners and right conduct, pagmamaneho, pagluto,
Tama.
all those
Oh my
things na
gosh.
bit-bit nila, hindi ba yun yung legacy mo na nagkaroon ka ng isang tao na independent, na hinayaan mo sa mundo na mabuhay, na hindi sila makakasagabal sa ibang
Tama.
tao, hindi sila makakaperwisyo,
Hindi sila magsasuffer
Hindi
kasi
sila
hindi
magsasa-
nila alam yun.
correct din, na wala ka na ituro sa kanila. So,
Yes.
nung nawala ka, wala din sila nagawa for themselves. Doon pa lang,
Wow.
waging-wagi na
Yun na yung legacy.
Oo, yun yung legacy mo talaga. That's your legacy.
Pero grabe no, come to think of it, yung nagiging buhay ng mga anak mo is a big reflection of what you have taught them.
Yes.
And the time that you have given to teach them. Yun yung fruit na yun, Mars. Kaya pag hindi niya alam yung isang bagay, parang, bakit hindi niya to alam gawin? Saan ako nagkulang?
Which is why I think Mars, because not everybody treats parenting perhaps the same way we do.
Yeah.
That's why we put so much importance and value in being parents.
Yes.
You know, for others, yeah. I mean, it's different for everyone.
Yeah.
For others, they have other priorities. But the reason why we prioritize
Yeah.
our children the way we do is because that's what we look into.
Yeah.
And we
Yeah.
know that, okay, that's why it means so much to us kung anong klaseng tao magiging sila.
Oo.
A lot of that is
Yes.
us.
Yes.
And I'm so sorry to my children because for them it's like, Mama, why are you so harsh on us? Why are you so strict? But it's like, you just don't. I'm just trying to prepare you for the world.
That's true,
At
that's
saka,
true.
there's no greater compliment for a parent nang sabihan ka ng ibang tao, anak ko ang babait.
Yes.
Totoo yan.
Well-behaved, magalang, ang sarap kausap, matalino, sus, wow,
Sarap.
grabe.
And
Purihin mo na, wag mo na akong purihin
Ay,
sa
oo,
lahat ng
oo,
bagay.
oo,
And
oo.
it's
Pero
funny.
yun na lang, okay na.
And it's funny because more often than not, as parents, you don't see that
Yes.
because that's not exactly how they are at home. I guess maybe because at home they're secure and they can just be silly and whatever. And so you know that when they're put in
Yes.
another home or they're with a different group of
Yes.
people,
Oo,
and
At
then
sa
you
iba
hear.
nang galing yun.
Oo,
Yes.
sarap
So
pakinggan.
doon ako
Super.
parang, wow, it's so nice to be, because I know that I can be a little too hard on my kids. So it's nice when I'm reminded
Oo.
through other people na he's a kind boy.
Yeah,
he's generous.
yan.
It's like,
Oo.
thanks for the reminder. Parang
Oo.
I needed that because I was being a little too hard on him.
Oo. So, ito na, Mars, my baby Cams. I'm so proud of you. Alam mo, super. Alam mo, parang ko rin siyang anak eh. Parang
That's
panganay ko siyang anak. Sila ni
So,
Meg.
as ate.
Oo. I'm so proud of this journey that you've been on, seeing you build your family, being such a smart, alam mo, you've always been so smart. Totoo.
Oo, ate.
Very lang yan.
And eloquent. And I remember telling Attorney Gabby, dyan naman yung icon ko kasi older din siya sa akin. Sabi ko, alam mo, I love listening to, when we do our podcast, sabi ko, I learned so much from these girls. Sabi ko, and Camila's always been so eloquent. I love how you're able to put into words exactly how you're feeling. And some people get lost along the way. I'd like to say the same things that I'm feeling, but I can't seem to find the right words oftentimes. But you're able to do that. So smart,
thanks,
so
Ate.
introspective, so much wisdom. And so many of us learn from you.
Yeah.
And even though I know na older and stuff, I've always said this, actually mas may say yung mga sinasabi ni Camille kaysa dun sa mga sinasabi ko.
Parati yung
Sa kanya kayo
matindi.
matindi.
Oo.
It's true. I'm
Yes.
so proud of
Aw,
you.
thanks, ate.
Super
Thanks,
proud of you.
Mars. Love you guys.
I love the friend that you've become to me, Mars. I never realized the kind of friendship that we would have. And I just love that you're in my life, in our life.
Aw.
So, God
Same,
bless
Mars.
you. And I really pray for many, many, many more years.
Yes,
Yes.
please.
Woo!
Yes, please.
Strong years, strong years.
Yes.
At dahil dyan,
Ito na. Okay, make a wish, make a wish.
Thank you. To many, many, many more years of Mars and
Oh.
doing this together. 41! Come on!
Let's do this!
Yes!
Pickleball! Wow. Pickleball era niya kasi.
Correct. And I'm loving it.
Super. Yan na siya.
Diba? May mga new discoveries.
Oo,
Yes,
diba?
yes.
Oo,
Yeah,
nag-struggle lang ako kasi parang mas magaling si VJ sa akin, so nag-aaway kami.
As a competitive
So gusto ko
Mars.
mag-secret training kaya hindi ako makatakas sa kanya.
Ito, pagkatapos nito taping na
Ayun, unahan ko na siya.
Palo-palo na tayo dyan. Correct. Oh, we wish you all the
Thank
best.
you, mga
eh.
Mars. Thank you so much. I'm so glad to be doing life with the both of you.
Happy
Like,
birthday,
honestly, I
Mars.
can't imagine going through life without you, Mars, and you, Ate. And siguro naging emotional lang ako kanina kasi narealize ko talaga na parang how much I've done life with you.
Yeah.
Like, literally.
Yeah.
With Mars also having kids at the same time.
Mhm.
I remember I was like very pregnant with Nolan when we met. So even going through the pandemic together,
Yes,
surviving that, parang iba din yung bond na nagagawa nun. So parang sobrang blessing to be surrounded by people na alam mong hindi man tayo always nagkikita, nag-uusap, pero once we talk, parang, sorry Team Declutter, kapag hirap na kayong awating kami. Ron, ang galing mo talagang mag-like, guys, mga Mars. Kasi talagang hindi talaga kami
We really do carry the way.
At saka parang segue na lang yung recording after nito, chika pa rin kami. Kung hindi lang kailangan umalis ni Mars. And
Correct.
that's something that I super appreciate. Like, I feel like not a lot of people have that or are lucky enough to have that. So, thank you. And syempre sa inyong lahat, guys, thank you for still being there.
Oo.
After all these years.
Yes.
And you know, parang coming together, kaming mga Mars, hindi na namin to pinlano talaga.
Yeah.
But I think God paved the way na magkita-kita kami at magsama-sama ulit kami. And that's mostly because of you guys too.
Kaya maraming salamat for all your support. Uy, ilist nyo, baka meron kayong mga comments. Anong birthday wish nyo para kay Mars Camille? Oh!
At susunod na ang mga sunod-sunod na birthday celebration. So come party with us in the next episodes of
Kami ang inyong mga